And big ones. Down here on Crooked Creek today, that's about the 7th one of them I've caught. Just using a little bitty hellgrammite. Don't even look that pretty, but that was the first cast with this little one on. I was using a bigger jig and caught about 4 or 5 of them. They're good size. So figured I'd just switch to this small one. Haven't caught any smallmouth yet. Not anything for smallmouth yet. It's been pretty dry. I even brought the fly rod along today. Try to see if I could give them something they ain't seen. And I think they might be spawning. There's bites. Boom, another one. That's a little guy. That's the smallest one I've seen all day. Okay. Beautiful fish though. Oh, another bite, but I missed it. Oh, dang. Finally a smallie? This is a dark smallie, holy cow. He's a small smallie, but man, he's beautifully dark. On a little hellgrammite, little micro hellgrammite. There's usually some nice smallies in here. Just been finding some nice rock bass. Dang, wind makes it hard to tell when I'm getting a bite. And almost reel it and drop it and get a bite. See if I can get another one here. About 6 or 7 fish out of here now. There's one. Another good rock bass. And a nice one, solid. I'm telling you, this little thing right here worked great for the kids. Anybody who just wants to catch fish. I mean, it's gonna catch everything. Big fish like small baits, but boom, another one. Next cast. Boom. Throw them back. Let's get back in there. This is definitely been the spot today. Water's a little high. Clarity's not too bad. It's pretty clear. That speed of that water is pushing. Another one. He's a good fighter. On the mid-size range. We got about 20 minutes of recording time left. Thought I'd do a lot of little segments, but man, this has just been shooting fish in a barrel right here. It's been about every other cast for sure. Give them the right presentation down there. It's been every cast, just like that. I'll tell you, my trout rod making these guys feel real nice. Start again. Oh, so he comes back right here in front of me. No. Let's cast more up by the bank. Big old rock down there. I got caught on it a minute ago. I got caught on it again. Hate having to walk out and scoop my hole. Sit right here. I watched him eat it. Another one for the again. It's honestly amazing how many there are just in this little spot. So much food for them. I don't see why they'd need to go anywhere else. That was a little guy. That's a little guy. Can't believe I didn't catch not one on the fly rod through here. No luck at all. Probably could have just switched to something like this lure. A little more buggy, instead of using a big old smallmouth lure. That simple. If I was needing to eat rock bass, I'd be pretty good right now. Back out there.